Big visions alone don't move teams, clarity does. That's where OKRs come in. In Rakis, they help you keep teams focused, aligned and accountable, turning strategy into progress. OKRs, short for objectives and key results, give structure to what you're trying to achieve. Objectives are clear, inspirational goals. Key results are how you measure success. And initiatives? Those are the actions you're taking to move the needle. Rakis gives you a powerful way to define, track, and act on OKRs, all within a connected system that brings visibility and ownership to every part of your organization. You'll get smart AI assistance when drafting your OKRs, nudging you to frame goals that are meaningful and measurable. You'll see progress in context, with clear status indicators, supporting notes, and real-world evidence. And when something's off track, you can launch initiatives directly from your key results. So, action is always connected to intent. Let's take a look at an example from the corporate level. The objective is forge partnerships built on ethical excellence and environmental stewardship. It's supported by 3 key results. Achieve 80% supplier compliance with environmental standards by Q3. Increase ethical sourcing audits to 90% by Q2. And reduce non-compliance incidents by 50% by Q4. Each key result has a clear owner, live progress tracking, and 1 or more initiatives underneath, like the ethical sourcing audits preparation phase. This OKR brings clarity to a complex goal. It aligns multiple teams, creates shared understanding, and focuses everyone on what success looks like. Now let's look at OKRs as a transformation tool. Here, the human capital team is responding to a capability gap. Retail staff need to be better trained in the use of digital recommendation systems. This need was defined in the company's strategy using the Playing to Win framework. In response, the human capital team launched a dedicated OKR. The objective: revitalize the digital recommender training program. It's supported by key results that focus on staff participation, completion rates, and raising awareness of the program's value. This OKR is linked to the underlying management system and to the strategic capability it's meant to improve. It's a clear example of how OKRs in Rakis can drive focused transformation, grounded in your strategic choices. And because Rakis connects everything in the blueprint, OKRs aren't isolated. They can link to performance measures in your multi-perspective assessments. They can trigger initiatives, and they can be explored visually across your organization using tools like the Workspace Graph and Focus View. With Rakis OKRs, your strategy doesn't sit in a document. It lives, shared, measurable, and evolving through the real work your teams do every day. Whether you're tracking performance or driving change, OKRs and Rakis help you define what good looks like and move toward it with confidence. To get started, visit rakis.com.